Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I went to Five Below today, which is exciting because it's now on my side of town. I don't have to ask or ride to go to the east side to go to Five Below. And I thought I'd share what I got. So today, I was away over the weekend to a place here in Wisconsin called Wisconsin Dells. It's supposed to be the capital of the water parks or something or another, I don't know. We had a good time. And I've been explaining about this stool I wanted to Scott. He's like, I don't know what the hell you're talking about, baby. Well, we're at the store in Wisconsin Dells, and I bought a magnet with a loon on it. It said Wisconsin Dells, a loon, the bird. And Scott goes, are you talking about a stool, a little step stool like that? And he pointed behind the lady. I'm like, yes. And he goes, can I ask you if you know where that step stool is from? And she told Scott Five Below. So he took me to Five Below today. I actually bought two of them. I have a blue one and this one. Because in my craft room, if you looked at my new craft room video, I have a shelf behind me that's a little bit tall. And I need to get a step stool every time. Instead of hauling this big one, I just wanted this little thing. So it opens like so, and it closes. And I bought one for my kitchen as well. That's where I put the blue on because my cupboards in my kitchen are a little tall too. And it's perfect just for me to step on, just to get there. So, and I like the fact that it folds up. I can tuck it behind me until I need it. So I got one of them. Actually, I should say I got two of them. And then I brought me some more brushes. And I bought a cat toy. And no, I did not get a new cat. I'm babysitting my son's cat at the moment. Because they're in the process of buying a house and moving. And I will share all the details about that later. But I picked up this set. I've bought this one before. But they had this set too. And I like these brushes here. And my brushes are looking really bad, where I should replace them. So today I did. And I like the different brushes on this. So I got this one. And I got this. I've had this set before. And they worked really good. So we're going to try this one. I really wanted these ones. And then you get one like that. But I wanted this. So I got them. And then I collect something. And people may think it's weird. I don't know. I've did it since I was a kid. And that's novelty erasers. And I got this today at Five Below. So cool. Look at the avocado. But not long ago, when Walmart put out their school stuff, I picked up a couple sets there too. I got this one with all the animals. And look at the little ducky. I haven't put them away yet. Oh, there's two ducks. Oh, there might be duplicates. So I got that one. And I got the fruit one. I don't know if I showed these. And, or actually sweets in this one. And this was the fruit one. But today I saw this one for $5. I had to get that one too. Yeah. I want to open it so bad. So we're going to open this on camera. There's a lot in here I've never seen. So let's check it out. If I can get in there. There we go. Some of them are turned around. Oh my lord. I wish I could find a Pepsi drink. What? What is this? Wow. You don't want to get in there. So let's see what's all in this. So we have a dinosaur. Like it. Some sort of like ice cream. A little frog. He's so cute. A little pig. Cute. Rhinoceros, or I don't know. Dinosaur of some sort. Rhinoceros, not sure. We have an orange. A watermelon chunk. Cactus. It looks like a little camera. A peace hand. A yellow one and a blue one. Looks like rice on a dish. I have no idea on that one. We have the little cat. I used to have a clock where the cat would hand would go back and forth or down. Look at the hedgehog. He's adorable. So cute. And I don't use them. A little bunny. We have a French fry. We have a little frying pan with some eggs in. We have pizza. We have, does this come out? Oriental dumplings, I think. Look at, there's the cow. Oh, I like the cow. I got a lot of cows. We have a pink little tiger. Here's another piece one. Look at the peas. Oh, I bet you the peas come out. Ha ha! That's cool. We have a piece of bread with looks like an egg on it. We have a cake. And this is the one Kodo's going to want. A soccer ball. We have another cactus. I have a container I put them in. I mean, a bowl. Someday I'll show all of them. I have a, says mini cola. Cute. I wish I could find a Pepsi. I like the avocado. It's cute. A croissant. Cherries. Oh, looks like a little cat. A rooster or a chicken. Sunglasses. Oh, look at the sunglasses. They even open. I should get a little shelf. And a donut on this one. Should we check out the rest? Some of them I'll just open. I won't take them out. Where's my scissors? Right there, my scissors. Scissors, scissors, scissors. Oh, I did buy some cat toys at Five Below, but I gave them to the cat already. Her name is Lady, or Fox. I call her Foxy Lady, but her name is Fox. So we got, I have no idea. Oh, come on. It's sealed all the way around. There we go. Some of them I can tell what they are. Oh, it's a pepper. It didn't have a pepper. So we have a pepper and an apple, bananas, peach, a little pumpkin. Never had a pumpkin one. Lemon and an orange, watermelon, grape, strawberry, cob and a corn. I have no idea what vegetable that is. Can you hear her? I'm Common Fox. Pineapple, another green pepper, corn and a cob, grapes, carrot, apple, banana, strawberry, another pineapple, another watermelon, another pumpkin, orange. So if they're duplicates, I give them their grandkids. Then we got this one. It's a weird obsession, I guess. Weird collection. People collect things, but these I've been doing this since I was a kid. If I'd have hung on to all of them, oh my god, I probably might have a world's record. I used to get them out of a machine at a restaurant. I paid $0.25. So we have a popsicle stick, a strawberry. I don't remember what type of cookie that is. Another little dessert. Looks like an orange. Piece of cake, a popsicle stick, an ice cream cone, watermelon, a piece of cake, another cake, a cupcake, pineapple, looks like a strawberry tort. I love the ice cream cone. Grapes, another cake, another ice cream cone, a donut, an apple, a donut, and I have no idea what whatever. What this one is. What is this one? Oh, it's a cookie, but it has a cat face on or something. And another cake. Hammer goal. Get that set. not putting them back in the boxes. Oops, I'm sorry if I hit the camera. And the last set. This one's cute. I think the reason I didn't put these away, I think I was going to do them with the grandkids. Maybe I'll do that. They'll be here Thursday. Because Thursday, my oldest granddaughter, Sosalia, leaves for college. And she's going to Stephen Point. This is about 4.5 hours away from us. I'm not sure. I'd have to look it up. So she's not too far away, but it's not like we'll see her that often. So, so we got a purple dog. This one I'm going to bring out because I've never had these many animals. Purple dog. I love it. Cute. Little bear. Can you hear her? I'm coming. This one's got holes in the top to put a pencil. Yellow kitty cat. Another cat that's waving. So I got a yellow one in this one and a white one. And this one is cool. I love the little duck. And the duck is so cute. A pig, an owl. Look at the owl. Another little bear. A green dog. Look at this dog. Cute. And my cow's the same. See? Yeah, they look the same. Oh, man. Yeah. Cow. Oh, look at the blue dog. This looks like the cat that's, if you can hear it, meowing. She's pure white. Pretty kitty. Little fox. A pig. An owl. A pink cat. Another little rubber duck. Another bear. Ooh. Oh, look at this little kitty cat. That one's cute. Oh, here's another one, but brown. Oh, they're merged. See, aren't they cute? And then another waving cat, and then another green dog or bear, and another cow, and a purple cat. They were so cute. So that is my erasers. And that's not including the ones I already got that are in a container up there. Maybe someday I'll take them all out and show you. But I want to thank you for sharing, or thank you for coming in and checking out this video. And I hope you like what I shared. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.